NordVPN versus Hide, VPN, which one offers the best premium features, and which one gives you the best free option. In this video, we'll break it down, showing you why both of these VPNs have their strengths and weaknesses. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal a surprising alternative that could offer even better value for your needs. Let's start with NordVPN. Known as one of the top premium VPNs, it offers a robust feature set. First thing you'll notice is its massive server network, over 5,000 servers in 60 countries. This means more options for speed and better chances of finding an unblocked server, which is key if you're looking to bypass geographic restrictions. Next thing, NordVPN's security. It's packed with features like military-grade encryption, a no-logs policy, and an automatic kill switch. Plus, it has specialty servers like Double VPN and Onion over VPN for extra layers of privacy. But it's not just security. It also has a smart DNS feature and Cyber SEC, which blocks ads and malicious websites. The fourth thing worth mentioning is speed. While NordVPN is known for decent performance, it can vary depending on the server you're connected to. Still, for a premium VPN, it does an impressive job maintaining high-speed connections. But as with anything, there's a downside. NordVPN is more expensive than most. Yes, it's packed with features, but you're paying for them. And while it's easy to use, setting up NordVPN with advanced features can be a bit tricky for beginners. Now, let's talk about Hide.me VPN. While it's not as well known as NordVPN, Hide.me punches well above its weight, especially for a free VPN. The first thing to note is that Hide.me offers a surprisingly strong free plan with 10 gigabytes of data per month, which is higher than many other free VPNs on the market. It also supports a wide range of devices and platforms, so you're not limited to just one or two. Next thing, Hide.me speed. Even on the free plan, it maintains a solid connection with good speeds. Of course, it can't compete with the premium options that NordVPN offers, but for a free VPN, it's pretty impressive. The third thing, privacy and security. Hide.me uses AES 256 encryption, has a no-logs policy, and offers decent leak protection. While it doesn't have the fancy add-ons like NordVPN's Double VPN or Onion over VPN, it does keep things straightforward and reliable. However, Hide.me does come with limitations. For starters, the free version is limited in server locations. You only get access to a handful of servers, so if you need to connect from specific regions, it may not always have the option you want. And while it offers decent speeds, it may not be as fast as NordVPN in some cases. Now, when comparing the two, it's clear that NordVPN outshines Hide.me in terms of server network size, speed, and advanced features like specialized servers. But here's the thing, if you're on a budget and can't commit to a premium VPN just yet, Hide.me is an excellent free option. It strikes a balance between privacy, speed, and usability without asking you to spend a dime. But here's where things get interesting. After trying both of these options, I think there's a better choice out there for most people. If you're looking for a VPN that's reliable, offers fantastic features, and is more affordable than NordVPN, then you should check out the link in the description for an exclusive free trial. This option has everything you need for security, speed, and ease of use, and it offers a much better value than either NordVPN or Hide.me in the long run. So, while NordVPN and Hide.me are solid choices, if you want the best of both worlds, premium features without the high cost, click that first link below and grab your free trial today. You'll get exclusive benefits, only available through our link, to ensure you get the most out of your VPN experience. And that's it for this comparison. Let me know what you think in the comments and if you've tried either of these VPNs.